Hello everyone, welcome to another video on TikTok. Today I will show you how to watch TikTok without actually having an account on TikTok. Now, as you can see, recently TikTok announced that you will be able to browse as guest. So as you can see, what is browse as guest and how does it work? So as you can see, browsing as guest is a new way to enjoy watching TikToks without needing to create an account. So as you can see, for this group of people, we created a new way to use TikTok that allows them to enjoy watching content on TikTok without requiring them to create an account. You can select to browse as guest if you just like to enjoy watching TikTok. So this is not yet available for everyone, but you can go and click browse as guest once you start to watch TikTok, once you go on TikTok. But actually there are three different other ways that you can watch TikTok without actually having an account. So as you can see, obviously once you go to the tiktok.com, if you don't have an app, you can go to the left section right here on the browser on iPhone and you can request desktop website. Now this is if you wanna watch TikTok on your iPhone without actually having an app or account. Now you can watch TikTok without the app and browse unlimited videos like this. Now on your PC, you can just go to your PC and you can basically use arrow keys to scroll through, right? Like I'm doing right here, right? You also have alternative methods, right? You can use third-party TikTok viewers like Brainanance, like .com. You can use that, but I wouldn't recommend really using that. I would rather recommend just going with this, like watching TikTok without app on mobile, or I would browse as guest if you have this available. This is a new feature, so it will probably be available for more people soon. So that's basically how to watch TikTok without an account. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.